Hey guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing another unboxing and this is a wireless Bluetooth earphones. So this is the earphones that I'm gonna unbox today. And this is called Fruitypods. That's it, guys. So I can't call this as an AirPods because this is not from Apple. This is from Fruitypods. And I guess they call this Fruitypods because of the beautiful, cute, fruity color. It comes with variety of color. They have pink, blue, yellow, and green. And I ordered the pink one. So this is it, guys. I can't wait to open this because it is very cute. And it also comes with protective charging case and a lightning cable. So yeah, let's open it. So this is it, guys. Alright. Wow, it's so cute. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, I really love the color. It's so cute. Oh my god, the color is so vibrant. And it's actually the same color of my Apple Watch, guys. Oh, wow. So cutie. I love this pastel color, guys. Now let's have a look at the earphones. Wow. So this is the earphones. So I need to connect this in my phone and I'm gonna try to listen some music and we'll see. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. It said pairing, so I'm gonna pair this to my phone. So now I'm connected. I am Fruitypod connected. So now I'm gonna try listen some music and we'll see. Oh my god! Wow! This is really awesome, guys. So I'm listening Selena Gomez at the moment. I love Selena. So I'm listening The Heart Wants What It Wants at the moment, guys. Oh, it's so cool. I love it. Sorry guys, you can't hear. It's so easy to connect the earphones to your phones. Just go to settings, turn on your Bluetooth, select Fruitypods and connect, and that's it. I forgot to show you the cable for the case. So this is the cable. You can charge this one once it's flat. This one. So once you charge this, remember to press this button right here and there's a purple color come up so it will start charging. And remember to charge this for an hour before using this. The good thing about this is once the case is fully charged, you can charge your Fruitypods 4 times. That's it. It's charging. You can press this button right here to stop charging and press again to charge. So the price of these cute earphones is $39.97 US, but since it's my first time purchase this product, they gave me a discount. So I have a discount for $5.99 US, so overall I paid $33.98 US, and this is a free shipping, guys. So overall, I really love these earphones. I didn't regret buying this. This is worth the money. I really love the color as well, the pastel color. It really suits me, and it's the same color of my Apple Watch. This is very handy. You can actually put this in your pocket, so I love this. The price is so practical. I don't like to spend more money, 200 bucks just for an AirPods. I already have a wireless Jabra headphone, so for me, there's no point buying another expensive one just for an AirPods. This is really great for me already and it comes with different colors, so it's perfect. So if you want to order some of these cutie earphones, if you want to check out their website, I'm gonna put their website link in my description box. I'm actually planning to buy another color, the yellow one, because the yellow, it looks so cool. It's so cute as well. So yeah, since it's affordable, so why not? So that's all my vlog for today, and thank you once again for watching. And remember to give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I'll see you next time. Bye!